This is Kryptoschnack and welcome to my channel. For those who are new, welcome, and for those who are coming back to my channel, welcome back. Nice having you all here. And we are gonna talk about a Nasdaq listed firm. Marian buys 10,500 next gen Bitcoin miners, and Bitcoin and Tesla America most loved assets on TradingView. And again, Warren Buffett is buying gold, may push Bitcoin to 50K, investors say. And we are going to look at the chart and what I'm proposing is going to happen next. And we have a look onto the current prices going on. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up or subscribe to stay up to date. And let's start right away. So Nasdaq listed firm Marian buys 10,500 next gen Bitcoin miners. So in one other video a few days ago, I talked about another company who was buying $250 million worth of Bitcoin. And now we have the next company out of the Nasdaq who is buying miners. So this is big news. They are worth $23 million. And the Marian Patent Group wants to be the largest Bitcoin mine in the United States, and its recent acquisition of thousands of next-generation mining rigs may help fortify that goal. So this is really big news, and you see that the second company out of the Nasdaq is already right into Bitcoin. In this case, they are not buying the Bitcoin, but they are going to mine Bitcoin. And this is also interesting that big companies are going into the mining business. So this is really big news, guys. This is something, if that would have happened in 2015, 2016, the price of Bitcoin would have jumped 20% just by this news. And you see how the market has matured, and we are currently on a way where these news are constantly coming, that companies are investing in Bitcoin, or they are going into mining, or they do other stuff related to blockchain and Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And this is just one news of many. So the market doesn't react anymore. It got mature, but this is big news for long-term investors. It is a really good sign. And as well, the next good sign is that Bitcoin and Tesla, America's most loved assets on TradingView. So this is something I have talked about in one of my earlier videos, which were on German in this case, and currently I'm doing the videos in English. I hope you like that. And I mentioned that Tesla is changing the entire automobile car industry. Bitcoin is changing the financial industry. So deciding if Bitcoin or Tesla are successful are the investors. And there has been a change going on because a lot of young people have invested in Tesla. And this is why the stock went up like this, because they want the change. They don't want that what the old car companies are doing. They are not interested in investing in Ford or Chrysler or other companies who didn't go first into electric, let's say that way. Currently they are starting to do so, but they do it because they're under such pressure from Tesla that they have to. And Bitcoin is the same. At the beginning, Bitcoin, everybody was laughing at it, and right now we have Goldman Sachs, we have Lehman Brothers, and Lehman Brothers, not JP Morgan. That was my mistake. So JP Morgan and other big banks going into Bitcoin. So you see that they have to adapt to the current market, to the current trend, and the financial system is adapting to Bitcoin and Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies because they know that they are gonna stay. So if they want to have this younger generation which is investing in Bitcoin and Tesla, they have to adapt, and that is why the banks are starting to go with Bitcoin, and that's why Nasdaq listed companies are investing in Bitcoin or investing money in mining facilities because they know that the market is going to grow from over the next few years. The next thing, Warren Buffett. Well, Warren Buffett is a really successful investor, no doubt. But in the past few years, he has missed a few great stocks, and he has missed great opportunities to invest, which is normal because he is from a different generation. For example, he didn't invest in Tesla, he didn't invest in Bitcoin, he didn't invest in Amazon, I think. And so now he is buying a mining company which is producing gold. And a lot of people are saying now that this is going to make gold even more interesting to investors, and people are going to buy more gold, because if someone like Warren Buffett does invest in a gold mining company, he believes this is the right way currently. And if that happens, the domino effect is going to be that the Bitcoin price could surge as well. So that is what investors telling, that the Bitcoin price could go up to 50K because of Warren Buffett buying gold, a gold mining company, and this will even more let the gold price surge, and this could have an effect on Bitcoin. So let me tell you, all these three news are great news. The one with Bitcoin and Tesla on TradingView is something I have saw a lot of times people talking about. And if you go on YouTube and you see the other investor channels, you will see that a lot of people use TradingView, and so this is no surprise. Let's go on to the CoinMarketCap charts, and we're just going to have a look currently what the prices are. And we see Chainlink is up 13% almost. We have a slight increase of Bitcoin. Ethereum is taking a bit of gains away, 1.2% down, but still way above the $400 mark. And then we have EOS going like crazy. They have been down here on the top 15. EOS is going crazy. We can just have a look inside. On the big chart, it doesn't look that much, but you see it has jumped and had a gain of like 200 million, which just brought it up to the top 10. And you see Binance is just slightly getting out of the top 10. Crypto.com as well. Tezos is gaining even more. So this is going to be interesting because Tezos and Chainlink are the ones gaining the most from the big coins here. Yes, let's see what are the top gainers today. So we have as well, again, Synthetics Network, which has been had a lot of gains in the past weeks, I must admit. Digibyte is up. We have IOTA up as mentioned. IOTA is up, and we have a few other projects down here which have slightly gains, which are pretty well, if I must say. And now we're gonna go on the trading place, which I use is capital.com. And yesterday in my video, I was mentioning that the price is gonna try to go to the resistance we had in the past, which was up here at 11,800K. Then we had one, this was up here, it's 12,100 was the resistance. Then we had another resistance up here at around 1260, and we had one down here at around 11,900. So what I was saying is, when we were down here and we moved up, I was saying we're going to retest it again. The question is, are we going down back to 11,600 or not? And what happened was exactly what I was predicting. The question is now, are we going to have another try? Because today in the morning at 2 a.m. we were actually even above this line, but we couldn't handle this. It seems like we couldn't handle the resistance, and we got back down. We were trying a few times today in the morning, and then during the day we had at like around 10 o'clock we had a slight pullback, and then even a further pullback down to 11,700. So the question is now, we have gotten back here, and as well we have stabilized here, and we just try to go at 11,900K again. So the resistance right now is actually right at 11,900, not 12K. It's 11,900 right now, and you see we are away around 50 or 45 points. So this is going to be something that can happen any moment, that we see a big move. It can happen any second even. So it's going to be really exciting to see how the price is going to react. If that is not going to happen today, because actually, to be honest, it must happen today. If you see we are in the 4-hour chart, it would be really weird if we have another 2 here and we don't break above. If not, it could happen that we go down to 11,500K again, which wouldn't be bad. It would still be bullish because we have the low here, we have a higher low here, a higher low, a higher low. And if we go down here, we would have again a higher low. So it would be still all fine, but this is what could happen anytime soon. And I was mentioning in my last video, if that breakout is happening and we turn above 12K, our goal will be around 13,400K in the next few days. So if we look at Ethereum, Ethereum had the same situation which we are in Bitcoin right now, and it exactly happened. It was fighting around that resistance here, and then it had a big move up, and we see that Ethereum stabilized here. We had almost 440K, and now it's stabilizing, and it was also going down today at 10 a.m. to $426. But yeah, we are still waiting for the big move from Bitcoin right now, and this again can happen anytime soon. I hope you liked my video, and sorry for my not perfect English. If you still enjoyed it and give me a chance, please subscribe to my account on my channel, and yeah, I hope to see you all back very soon. Take care.